What's up guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to compile C programs from the terminal. So without further ado, let's start the video. So change directory, what do we have? We got prog1.c, so I'm going to do cat. That is the program that we're going to compile. I didn't need to open a text editor to show my program. I just did cat prog1.c and there it is. Okay, so GCC prog1 -o prog1, get rid of that. Press enter. Hopefully that will compile it. And then /prog1. Enter, and there you go, hello world. And that's how you compile a C program on your terminal. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.